All right, here let me just try to show you a little bit of what you can do with Capstone. Now, since I'm not connecting anything, I have to create some numbers. So I pick the table and the graph, and then you can change the units and all that. I'm not going to do that just to get a graph. Just let's enter 1 here and 2. So you see that point already showing up there, and then 2 you should get 4, but we'll make it a little different. 3.8. It's like each number almost double or exactly double, so we get those points. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, I think 4 points are enough. And then excuse me, each one of these serves its purpose, and if you hold it there, it'll tell you what it stands for. Really, if you read it, and I know you can, it'll tell you what it is. So sometimes what happens is, before we go there, sometimes it gets zoomed out like this, right? You lose all the points, and then the quickest way to bring it back is to click this. So it brings it back to exactly where it was. So remember that. That's one of the most useful ones. Now, this one, it's for adjusting the scaling again. You can put the cursor there and adjust the scaling, click and drag on both axes. You can do that and bring it back. This is to let you see the data. There's only one piece of data here, so if you don't want to see it, it's gone. And again, this is a switch as well. This is a switch, and so each one, most of them are switches followed by a menu drop down. So I've selected it. This is for highlighting. So whenever you want to highlight the points, so what you do is you just click, drag that, and pick all the points. And then, so this is what I use now for highlighting. Okay. And then this time you got to go to linear fit, click on this drop down, and you see all kinds of line fits or quadratic or whatever, inverse square law, whatever, but pick the linear. As soon as you pick the linear, you will see the best line, which is showing up, and you will also see the slope. But be careful. You have to make sure that this is pressed down. Look at that. See, this is a switch. So there's a switch and there's a drop down. So if the switch is off, you won't see it. So click it so you see the slope. So that's the slope. And that's the y-intercept and regression coefficient and all that. So that's how basically you use this to get the best line of fit. It'll get it on its own. You don't have to do anything. You can see where the line is. You see the line? It has this point below, this point above, and it picked the two extreme, almost picked this to give you the best line of fit. And you can click and drag this, move it, and so on. So likewise, if you want to find the summation, this is the one. You can find the mean, the minimum value, and the maximum. To find the area, you would use this. Oh, this is to find the slope, sorry. This is for the area. They kind of look similar. So if you wanted to find the area under a graph, you would select that part and click on this. This is for text and all that. Okay, so those are main things that we use. All right. That's it. I hope this makes sense. Thank you.